Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.63. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.46%. This amounts to an average return of 0.12% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently moving within a broad and horizontal trend, indicating that further fluctuations within this range can be anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.775% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return that may vary between negative 7.75% and positive 4.66%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of around 25.05% over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 2.5% and 34.54%. This suggests a projected price range from $233.20 to $306.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple's stock price up approximately 0.5% on Thursday. The Apple stock price increased by approximately 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, rising from $226.37 to $227.52. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.37%, with a day low of $225.41 and a day high of $228.50. The price has shown volatility in this period, with a gain of 2.13% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.26 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning for changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.23, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 4.09%, or $9.71, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc., commonly referred to as AAPL, experienced a favorable trading session today, closing at $227.52, which reflects a modest gain of 0.51%. This development may enhance investor confidence, underscoring the company's resilience in the market. In a noteworthy announcement, the Irish government plans to allocate nearly $16 billion in taxes collected from Apple for infrastructure projects. This strategic investment could stimulate economic growth in Ireland, ultimately benefiting Apple's operational environment and improving its public image. In the short term, this might stabilize or even elevate the stock price, as favorable conditions in key operating regions often lead to improved revenue prospects for companies like Apple. Furthermore, as competition intensifies, Analysts have pointed out Meta Platforms' advancements in artificial intelligence and virtual reality technologies, which have prompted a re-evaluation of their stock valuations. This dynamic highlights the competitive landscape where Apple must relentlessly innovate to sustain its market dominance. Meanwhile, Apple's supplier, Jabil, recently reported fourth-quarter earnings that exceeded expectations and announced restructuring plans. Strong performances from suppliers can indicate robust demand for the parent company's products, potentially providing a boost to AAPL's stock in the near term. Finally, the prospect of Apple potentially becoming the first $5 trillion company emphasizes the market's positive outlook on its growth trajectory, particularly as it incorporates artificial intelligence features throughout its ecosystem. Such expectations could drive long-term stock appreciation, appealing to both current and prospective investors. In summary, today's news presents a blend of opportunities and challenges for Apple, with various factors set to influence its stock performance in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned a buy grade to AAPL along with a hold action. On the same day, New Street also rated AAPL as neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, Needham gave APL a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated AAPL with a buy grade and a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs also provided a buy grade for AAPL, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is situated above the long-term average. In instances of downward corrections, support is expected at $226.50 and $223.60. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close observation of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been identified, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by nearly 10%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, the stock exhibited a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. Such alignments are rare and are often followed by prolonged and significant gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal, observed 37 days ago, Bollinger Bands, buy signal, recorded 8 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal, noted 8 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, detected 6 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, recognized 7 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal, established 102 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, noted 90 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $222.77. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock demonstrates controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $3.09 between its highest and lowest points, equating to 1.37%. In the previous week, the stock had an average daily volatility of 1.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.60. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $227.57. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $222.77. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Condo Chris executed an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Condo Chris executed another insider sale of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Adams Catherine L. also sold 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Adams Catherine L. sold 4,500 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.485. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $215.55, representing a decrease of 5.26%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which indicates a reduced risk level. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that was established 51 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positivity, suggesting that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis shows that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we expect Apple to open lower by approximately 37 cents, starting at $227.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.